So, you wake up, check your portfolio, and bam! It's not a portfolio anymore, it's a crime scene. Over $9.4 billion in crypto value just vanished, like your ex's loyalty after you went broke. But hold up, was this just another oopsie from the blockchain gods? Or a full-blown digital apocalypse that everyone saw coming but ignored anyway? Let's unpack the chaos, fast, sharp, and painfully honest. This is the $9.4 billion crypto crash explained. But wait, crashes don't just happen out of nowhere. Someone, somewhere, always starts the fire. And oh boy, do we have some suspects. 1. The setup. How it all fell apart. First, let's rewind. Crypto was doing its usual, wild swings, memes about Lambos, and billionaires tweeting like prophets. Then suddenly, the market sneezed, and half of crypto caught pneumonia. Bitcoin, down. Altcoins, down bad. Stablecoins, turns out not that stable. It started with a chain reaction, liquidations. Massive leveraged bets began imploding faster than a Jenga tower in an earthquake. Traders got margin called, exchanges froze withdrawals, and everyone screamed decentralization. Translation, nobody's in charge, so nobody's fixing this. 2. The catalyst, who pulled the plug. Enter the whales. The big wallets with enough crypto to crash a market just by sneezing too hard. One major fund, we'll call them definitely not your financial advisor capital, decided to liquidate massive positions. That sent shockwaves across exchanges, triggering billions in automatic sell-offs. Picture dominoes falling, except each domino is worth millions, and your portfolio is crying in the corner. Then came the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doom scrolling. Rumors spread faster than Pepe memes in 2021. Exchange insolvent. Another rug pull. Regulators incoming. And when confidence dies in crypto, so does your net worth. But here's the real twist. It wasn't just greed or whales. There's something deeper, something philosophical. And that's where this crash gets kinda poetic. 3. The philosophy of collapse. See, crypto isn't just digital money, it's a belief system. A collective dream that says, we don't trust banks, we trust code. But the irony, when things went south, everyone suddenly wanted a bank. Humans crave freedom until it stops being convenient. We want decentralization until the app crashes. Then we're like, hello, customer support? Spoiler, there is no customer support. This crash wasn't just financial, it was existential. It exposed a truth most people don't want to admit. Crypto runs on faith, not code. And faith is fragile. But before you sell your last Dogecoin and move to a cave, let's zoom out, because history's got receipts, and this isn't crypto's first dance with disaster. 4. Deja vu, the ghosts of crashes past. Remember 2018, back when Bitcoin fell from $20,000 to $3,000 and everyone declared it dead? Or 2022, when Terra Luna exploded and took billions with it? Every crash has the same pattern. 1. Euphoria 2. Overconfidence 3. Greed 4. Collapse 5. This time it's different. Spoiler, it never is. Each wipeout clears the stage for the next revolution because destruction in crypto isn't the end, it's the reset button. Like a forest fire that burns everything fake so the real trees can grow back. So, who survives these digital extinction events? The lucky, the smart, the stubborn? Let's find out. 5. The survivors, who's still standing. While retail traders were busy tweeting, "Hodl," institutions were quietly buying the dip. Again, Bitcoin mining firms consolidated. Big players like BlackRock and Fidelity tightened their grip. And once the dust settled, the market didn't die, it evolved. Because crypto isn't going away. It's too integrated, too global, too tempting for people who love risk and hate banks. The weak got liquidated, sure. But the strong, they just bought themselves a bigger throne. And that leads us to the billion-dollar question. What happens next? 6. The takeaway. What this crash really means. This $9.4 billion meltdown. It's a brutal reminder that technology may change, but human nature doesn't. We overhype, overleverage, and overestimate our wisdom, then call it a market correction. Crypto didn't fail, people did. We got greedy, careless, and forgot that every revolution comes with casualties. So next time the charts are green and the influencers are screaming, "To the moon," remember, even rockets burn up on re-entry. So what did you learn from this chaos? That crypto's a scam? Or that belief systems, digital or not, always test their followers? Drop your thoughts below. Do you still trust the blockchain dream, or are you done betting on algorithms with mood swings? If this video made your brain hurt in a good way, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because next time, we're diving into why money itself might be the biggest illusion ever created. Until then, stay sharp, stay skeptical, and remember, the only thing that never crashes is human greed.